Today, Lucky gonna show you how to fix a hole in a tire with a tire plug. First, you're gonna locate the hole. Take your hand and rub it over here. Maybe you can feel a little bit of air coming out. Oh, I feel right in this area is a little bit of leak. So, oh yes, I see the hole now. What you can do, a couple things. You put a little bit of spit on the hole. You watch here. It bubble up. There's the hole. See the bubble? Wait a minute. Not bubble so good. Oh, there, bubble. My spit's not so good. Anyway, there's the hole. So now we take this tool here and we push it in the hole to clean it out. Like this. Could be difficult a little bit. Then you turn and twist it and pull it in and out, clean out the hole. Actually make hole bigger. You can hear the air escaping. Now you take these are the plugs to put in the hole. Peel one off. A little bit sticky, you can see. A lot sticky. Once you have the plug, you put it in this tool like this, about halfway. Slide it on like that. Now the most important part is the glue. You put some glue on the plug. Apply liberally, lots of glue. Now you got the hole bigger. You're going to push the tool into the hole. Maybe. Evidently I don't make the hole big enough. We'll try it one more time. It don't want to go in the hole. Should go in. I'm going to put a little more glue on. Okay, it's going in the hole now. Don't push it all the way in. Now, pull the tool out. You got it plugged. Now your tire should hold air. Don't worry about this sticking out because it'll wear off when you run the tire. Okay, we're going to air it up and we'll be back on the road in no time.